Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison of AMP Futures and Optimus Futures, two of the most talked about futures brokers. Whether you're a beginner trying to break into the futures markets or a seasoned trader looking for a better brokerage, this video is packed with everything you need to know, from features and pricing to pros and cons, and ultimately will determine the best choice in 2025. Let's get started. AMP Futures, based in Chicago, is a direct futures commission merchant. This means they handle your funds directly and connect you straight to the exchange. No middleman involved. This often translates to lower commissions and faster execution. AMP is known for being extremely cost conscious, offering rock bottom pricing with over 50 platform integrations, including big names like MetaTrader 5, TradingView, Sierra Chart, and CQG. On the flip side, we have Optimus Futures. They're not an FCM themselves, but instead operate as an introducing broker. What does that mean? Essentially, Optimus connects traders to one of the several partner FCMs like Ironbeam or Gain Capital, and you still get full access to markets, but with a broker layer in between. While this might sound like a drawback, it actually allows Optimus to offer greater flexibility, from customized support to platform choices and value-added services like their proprietary platform, Optimus Flow. So you're already seeing the difference. AMP focuses on direct access and low cost, whereas Optimus aims for premium service and platform innovation. Let's get to the main features of both platforms in detail. AMP Futures. The platform access. With over 50 platforms, AMP's integration options are unmatched. You can trade using TradingView's slick interface or dig into professional tools like Sierra Chart or CQG. They even support MetaTrader 5, which is a rarity among US-based futures brokers. Account funding. AMP allows a very low $100 minimum deposit, making it super accessible, especially for retail traders. Data feeds. They support multiple data feeds like CQG, Rhythmic, and TT, which you can pair with your preferred charting tools. Regulation. They are fully regulated by the CFTC and a member of the NFA, so you're in safe hands in terms of compliance. Now let us talk about the features of Optimus Futures. Proprietary platform Optimus Flow. This is a major selling point. Optimus Flow provides powerful charting, DOM trading, options ladders, and advanced order types. It's designed for active futures traders, especially those who want a Bloomberg-like interface without the cost. Broker support. What really sets them apart is their hands-on support. You're not just calling a help desk, you often get a dedicated rep who understands futures trading. Custom FCM pairing. Depending on your needs, lower latency, margin flexibility, or platform preference, Optimus helps match you to the best FCM. Educational resources. Their blogs, webinars, and help guides are top-notch, very beginner-friendly, while still providing value to pros. Now let us talk about the pricing. For AMP Futures, commissions are as low as $0.37 per side, depending on volume and the platform that is used. Day trading margins are as low as $25 per contract on different instruments. Some platforms are free, like TradingView Basic Tier, but others are not, such as Sierra Chart or CQG. They may come with additional monthly fees. And for Optimus, it's a free platform with Order Flow or Optimus Flow. $0.5 per side on micros and $0.75 per side on standard contracts. If you're using Optimus Flow, there is no monthly platform fee. Of course, other third-party platforms may incur fees. What are the pros and cons of using AMP and Optimus? We start with AMP. The pros: ultra low commissions and margins, huge platform compatibility, low $100 minimum deposit, and direct FCM access, fewer parties, lower costs. And the pros of using Optimus? Optimus Flow is powerful and free. They have amazing customer service, custom FCM matching that is based on your trading needs, and there are excellent educational materials and community engagement. How about the cons? For AMP Futures, customer support can feel less personal, and the platform setup can be overwhelming if you are a beginner. And the cons of Optimus Futures? It is not a direct FCM, so there's potential for slower execution or a more complex structure. $500 and above is the recommended deposit for most FCMs compared to a lower pricing in AMP. So, which is the better broker in 2025? Well, I'd say if your priority is cost efficiency, platform freedom, and you're comfortable navigating your own trade setups, AMP Futures is a fantastic choice. They're a volume-friendly broker for self-sufficient traders who want to control every aspect of the trading stack. But if you value support, a refined user experience, and tools that help you trade smarter without spending days configuring third-party software, then Optimus Futures offers a more polished and personalized approach. Well, the truth is both are solid regulated choices for futures trading, so your decision should come down to your personal needs. Do you want control and minimal costs? Then you may go with AMP. Do you want a guided experience with rich software and support? Then you should go with Optimus. And that's it on the comparison between AMP Futures and Optimus Futures. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Ninja Trader, Tradovate, and Interactive Brokers. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.